Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the center where you want results. Click the map or paste lat long. Once set, choose a radius in meters, km, or miles. 1 km is a sensible default. Make sure to switch the tool from polygon or rectangle to circle so the system records a center and radius rather than vertices. Also confirm your coordinate reference. WGS84 is common because the how affects distance calculations. Once done, lock the circle so accidental edits won't move the center. With your circle defined, convert it into a spatial query using a haversign distance check or your database's spatial index. This is how you get accurate hits. Then add attribute filters, category, date range, or status to narrow results. Once filters are applied, refine the radius interactively and preview result counts to avoid expensive queries. Make sure to use bounding box prefilters to speed things up. The box quickly removes far-away candidates before the exact circle math runs. Keep an eye on projection mismatches while refining. Now execute the search, using pagination or clustering if the hit count is large so the UI stays responsive. Visualize the results by highlighting points inside the drawn circle and showing summary counts. This helps users confirm the area. Once complete, make sure distance units in the UI match the query units. If results look wrong, check coordinate reference systems, ensure your spatial index is used, and verify radius rounding. Off-by radius errors often come from unit or projection mismatches. One key tip: rebuild or recheck index.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.